Hi! Today
Hi.
we are gonna explain about the channel and the series. Uh, hey yo, Peter! Meet Peter, one of our actors.
Hi.
Peter has been the actor of the camera person. The,
EKA, Timmy, and Timothy.
yes. And I am not only the creator of the channel, but also I'm not gonna spoil it because why not?
Spoil it. Spoil. I already
No,
know what I'm gonna do. I already know.
we will see you at the next video. I hope you like the channel. So, bye.
Also, spoiler alert.
What is it?
This will be the longest video of our channel.
Oh yeah. Later on, we're about to record the longest video. So, bye.